Hey guys, what's up? So today in this video, I just want to show you how you can safely reformat your old Samsung Galaxy device or even a new one. So this is the Galaxy device that I've been using since 2019, and it's been 3 years since I last formatted this device. So just to make sure that if you have some important data that you want to back up, it's better that you should back up that data first before doing this factory default reset. So therefore now I'll show you how you can uh, safely back up your data first by using an application from Samsung which is known as Smart Switch. This is completely free application and it's available for Windows and Mac users, and you can download it from the official Samsung website, and I'll put the link in the description. So let's get started. So here is my laptop on which I have already installed the Samsung Galaxy Smart Switch. So now what you have to do is you have to plug in your Galaxy device. Okay, so now I did it. So the mistake was actually I was using a dongle to connect all the USB devices. So therefore it wasn't connecting. So now it has already connected. So you go to backup. So I will only back up the things that I want. So I don't need the audio, videos I don't need, images I don't need, settings I don't need. Therefore, home screen, wearable, I think wearable I need, apps, no. Just the messages and call and contacts I have to select. Documents will find no. So then I will back this up. Now as you can see that the Smart Switch has started to back up the data from the phone. It's gonna take a while till the backup is complete. So as you can see, the Galaxy wearable data has not been properly backed up, so therefore it's not an issue. Rest of the items have backed up. Audio, it's backed up. Call and contacts, okay. So I will just press OK, and these have been successfully backed up. So therefore I now need to actually format my phone. So now as you can see, I have to restore this device. I'll go to the settings and I will go to accounts and backup. When I'll go to accounts and backup, there is an option called reset. Click over here. Now factory data reset. Now it will remove every single application from my phone, all the things, everything it will remove, and then I have to, now I can press reset and this will erase all the data from my phone. Okay, so since this is the hardware level encryption, it might ask you your Samsung Galaxy password. As I have all my biometrics on, it's verifying your phone that it's you who is resetting this device or any other person. So that's the reason that you need to make sure that you punch in your details well. Another thing, well, I did it when my battery percentage was 33%. I would recommend you to do this process when your battery percentage is actually 50%, just to be on the safe side, because if it takes a lot of time and your battery is low, chances are that it may brick your phone. But today I took a risk and I just erased the phone here, as you can see. Since I have been using this phone for 4 years now, and I think 3 years ago was the last time I ever reset this device. It was back in 2020 when my phone screen broke, and I had to give in for repair, and therefore I had to format this phone and give it to the service center. So that was the reason that I had to format the phone. But this is the first time after that year that I have to reset this phone, because it was aging a lot and it was slow at some point. Surely Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is now officially 4 years old, and it has stopped getting updates from Samsung's official store. So yeah, so if you are using a S10 Plus till now, it's better that you should format this phone more often so that your performance will be better. It actually clears all the caches and all the temporary files when you are formatting it, which helps a lot in increasing speed and all that. Maybe it'll take some time to format this phone. Let's see. Okay, so guys, this phone has officially been restored, and now it's on the loading screen. It was the SIM pin, so therefore now it's asking me to select the language which I want to select. Current setting. Okay, so this is the language, and you have to click on start, agree to all. Okay, so I'll just continue everything, and maybe I'll skip this for now. Okay, so I have to copy the data. Later I'll just make sure it's click on next, accept everything. I'll just skip this for now. And okay, so I need to connect my phone to. Okay, so I will allow, because now I have formatted the phone, therefore it is asking me that should I trust this computer. So you say allow. And okay, so this is one another thing. I have to install the Smart Switch application to the phone in order to start this process. Okay, that I will do. Now it will connect to my device. There are a couple of permissions that you need to accept in order for this to work. Therefore I just allow everything. Now it has connected, as you can see. I will click on retry, and it will connect surely. Okay, so we have finally arrived to the screen where we can easily restore our applications and all the settings that we want. I will click on restore. Now I will select these things because these things I had already backed up. Now I will restore these things. So click on restore. So we have successfully transferred our backup files to the phone. This is epic. I'll just close this software, disconnect my phone from the computer, and you can see here it has okay, so it'll take some time to organize the data, and then it'll just restore everything that we have just provided the data. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It'll be of great help. So therefore, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.